enti come here say anybody be omo ho kono ho kaya e wo NPP mu omo free mu e na omo cause more problem omo hu Judas e she party ni mu and omo be omo cause trouble for the party. Nana B, NPP TikTokers and NPP Deputy General Secretary omo abe blasted Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe or Dr. Frimpong boaten aha Penyah broke media meso ase ni di mu obe like video no other put subscribe button say make notification on the latest updates some better the wadwen da ma me e wo comment section so ba so a no share for so anya bia hwe. So in the morning no me bro video me no baako video that's edikai from the NPP General Secretary Justin Frimpong Kobi ayes na wabebo na adwen a kire Dr. Frimpong boaten and o kire mu say obeying free party no because enipo akope no onko wontimi engu party no ma se da bia sa ko se da bia no Dr. Frimpong boaten no ase party na se we free mu fine na oye founding member but ase now no ase party we free mu na ade bia na ase report bi obetwele bia no na se he labeled the NPP as galamsey party just say why a whole lot because of that no an NPP General Secretary say no obey na free party no obe sanction was untimi enye sa now ye hu say oka party no ho ana on count it was that entremu na ba ene Dr. Frimpong boaten no kana say no so ebufu ene obe reply Justin Frimpong Kobi in fact odi NPP form penny for nyina atem odi omu nyina atem di omu nyina atem masa doctor ni di omu nyina atem twabo mu ankasa ema ade we ba ye no kwansima ene hu say Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe eza kwatena TV3 that is one of the TV stations na ho no okọ bronsem so ho no esen han the current NPP leaders no they don't respect, they are weak, they are they don't fit to lead the party. Anna Mompeni for more party no look at how you are talking to them. And say Omuyi so Musake Dr. Frimpong boaten every party no or no so no he's ready to leave the party. And you know who is talking here? Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe. Just as also ebe create another scene. Ebe say han just any or per se or the no ho bemubi. Nane omabe paint NPP party no as bad party. Meaning analogy na me draw na say. Now, when we say NPP from party members no leaders no omone Dr. Frimpong boaten any issue. A omo try on be address. Omo address no. Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe eso abe wuramu bi tujagum. And what is so ono so episode to NPP pen for omu mu ade and so mu Dr. Frimpong boaten free mu or no so obejai because he's also one of the founding members of every party anymore. And you know, this is coming from someone in 2016, 3rd January 2016. NPP pending for essential free party anymore. Omu free mu. They suspended him from being a member of the New Patriotic Party and also a founding member. They suspended him indefinitely because na how was he can say I say he was in bed with the NDC. Obi a NPP founding member. Na say ninsam ke kamu na ade no. I say ye hu be gina so gina NPP for afon so gina NDC for afon. Wase na ye hu the person watch it because of that no. NPP for dem mutumi so e sanction e man indefinite suspension. Ema enya honko a 14th October 2023. Ana Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe no make publication o kire mu say I was once a member of NPP until Mahama came into the scene. Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe reveals why he betrayed former party. Dated 14th October 2023. And Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe and the worker say or making this statement on one of the TV stations. And what you say I abro hu Mahama na ankasa na anema or forget NPP as the party. O free party nimo. I don't know NDC. Eti nipa awoka da asemu wei wa who believe we free party nimu unimu biem 2023 be nyina no waje uni party nimu you were once a founding member but we free mu wa odi ho dan say you betrayed your party wankasa utu mutu ekan na afa party crowd we free mu no party nya issue on the one founding member enya issue e solve ya o pese o so be wura mu esa be cause more problem. There's also be wuramu na be say NPP party no they don't respect their founding members. As a son of me hu no. Or the no ba be wura say there be as odinu ba be wuramu na NPP for na kwa kodi natem. and as omo akwa attack no na abeye say the NPP they don't respect their leaders, and it shouldn't be so. Na sadi we no ana Nana B any NPP TikTokers any the deputy general secretary of the New Patriotic Party omo afaya womu.
I want to correct something here. Let me put it on record, and multimedia should take it from us. Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe is not a member of the New Patriotic Party.
He's a founding member.
Again, he is not a founding member. Take it from me.
Why is he not a founding member? The fact that he is no longer in existence in the structure does not negate the fact that he played a role in the foundation of the party. That at least you agree.
Firstly, people who are founding members of our party are known. There were people who signed on the document at the Electoral Commission. Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe never signed any document. So please, I am telling you, I am the crocodile coming from the water. I am the Deputy General Secretary. I am telling you that he's not a founding member of the party. Again, Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe was suspended as a member on the 3rd of March 2016. And again, on 14th October 2023, Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe said, and I quote, "I was a member of the NPP until Mahama came into the scene." Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe reveals why he betrayed his former party. Ask him whether he made that comment or not. Our party is a party of rules. You cannot tell us that you are no more a member of the party and you will come to arrogate yourself a founding member. Please, multimedia, we would never forgive you if you call him a founding member again. I am serving this notice. We respect multimedia a lot. And Nyaho Tamakloe is not a founding member of the Patriotic Party. And nobody should describe him as such. He's no longer a member of the party. Per what he said by himself, that he was not, I was a member of the NPP until Mahama came into the scene. He said so in 2023. And that should be put.
Hey! Kanye! Ghana for. And then, any 3 days. And our Professor Frimpong Boating. Okoko Tina Channel 1 television. I friend of City TV. Ekoma baseless allegations bi oho. Or say, the New Patriotic Party, the NPP, ono oya member no, the NPP is fake. Now, oka sa asem ye na say, enya sa papa Frimpong Boating na President Kofo administration or appointing is uncle CEO or Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Yama Okoye CEO or Kolebu Teaching Hospital. You failed woefully. Oya professor, oya cardiologist, as you did leadership Ejuma Emma Ono went to me and deliver. You failed woefully. And tiene Soko Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Now Kofa President Abanyina, President Kofo Penyah, and a Kolebu Teaching Hospital, etite epansame. And I'm saying, wo Professor Frimpong Boating, yedi Kolebu share wonsa, want me anya adwuma. And you free ho. Yes, I don't call cardiology department or Kolebu Teaching Hospital. And also, you failed woefully. Not just a wo, unye good manager. Ode moment asma, okoka our channel 1 television. Ye we are, the Hodiabaka to us.
The present MPP is not MPP, it's fake.
What?
Yeah. What I see now, it is not the MPP I used to know.
But the question still stands. Do you still consider yourself a member of the MPP?
Not the fake one.
So which one is the real one?
The real one is there. It's a virtual thing, and the members are there in the background.
You think that... I don't understand.
Now look at... You see? What benefit to NPP Obia? Who Professor Frimpong Boating? One city, or capre, cry any NPP. Who can find the members of NPP? And some people bad power. The year 2000, ekosi 2007. Okoye CEO awo Kolebu. Enya osika ede hwe wo ma ewa brochire enya sika se atam. Yes, I winning. The year 2016. Ena nanado say. Enya she what fairly woefully ewa Kolebu Teaching Hospital there. Now so yama wadwuma na onye. Enya beya Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Yadi say wonsa eno so adwuma no so ntumi nye. Na do so pese otu galamse ase enti oti committee bia ye fe no interministerial committee on mining. And so you failed woefully. War time, and I'm 500 excavators. Emma, Adiachi, Okache said 500 excavators in there to Ira. Ayawo, and Auma Uba, Jojo Frimpong. Mining license, so go to Galamse, Ewo Chroma say. And NDC for FASO, at the year campaign, ATIA. We are now Sakofa report by say NPP for the to Galamse Ukrumha. Obia, we are chairman of Interministerial Committee on Mining. See a 2 Galamse as you Ukrumha, Yadibia Shonsa, Uya, Makwachi 500 excavators, Atom, Ediskana Shamubotum, Uya, Wasa Koma Wankasa Uba, license, some Fanko to Galamse. Now we are a reporter, Kasa NPP for the Galamse. And no, and our President Akufo-Addo say, a Juma Yadisha was our Kolebu, bad 10-20 years ago, one to me and yet. And then I said, Juma Shawunsa from 2016, Ebeshi 2021 to me and yet, or winning 2020 elections now, Massa, Memo Juma, Unima Juma. Antina Yamika say, Nyansa, and your book Munkwane, we are professor, we are cardiology professor. As you did leadership role, Emma say a Juman, one to me and your bong, you failed woefully. Etina Akufo-Addo saying, my minister BM from 2020 to 2024, and ya Munia Kum Afari, Ubuafu, and I know, sorry, I would Akufo-Addo echi, and I will can some, and I will try reporter Cassia, and Akufo-Addo Negalam say, and Akufo-Addo say, now send people about Sani lose 2024 elections. Ya lose at Yababi Junior one. What's a quarter radio stations? What moral right and I was over Casa Asemno? Obia wa come one Casa Uba license, so from go to Galamse. Now we are because NPP for Galamse. Anyone out my license no? Una professor. I want to a dear Juma Shawunsa. What to me and a Juma Edisha no? What may I perform ye? I'm here lose elections. Then Uber Tranaka say NPP fake. What do you mean? Me Bob says I know my way, a BCB. Because who my NPP no? What about Penyah who see our tam? Anya sikadi aboa o mama o mako school abroche for one city for development bia ema NPP party nim na wo aba abedi esika abeji sika di asisi adan atoto cars aya japade atoto fie wa abroche wi a kakra na aka na ye sabo homan no woni nam TV stations ni radio stations na wo say no NPP lusu election 2024 because of wo activities are here e interministerial committee on mining ye da juma bia sha wo sa why wo so a professor ojunhudi so wabon unima juma ajuma de be ma abronye kwa me ba for abronye so onye no wo professor Frimpong boati e bo a untimi nye because uni leadership skills o fast o ka say wo ye cardiology doctor and aso ye professor anti uni nya certain obia ajuma bia de be ma bia as professor Frimpong boati bia you failed woefully from 2000 elections till this date. And then what are some radio station, TV stations, can't people who asem. Then him say after this no, e be inside CBM. You who say what the radio stations and TV stations, yes, silly comment now. What about Yanka? Ewo Chroma say. Namaste.
Obi, no kwasem ni. The Kaiser now will be openi from Pombwati. Ekuchi sembi gu kata so. Na miyano. Yadi enidie ni obuo e de mano as opani nemum ye best say political party ni de e so chain ni pe bia eti me kai say oni ni kasa sese kura wo kasa mek ni de president ni former president ni ade ni aka so yan so munya e fake isi e ba sa na oya ma yen sebe enkwa no so no ya to bia mane no ba me nyene sa o kan sembia enimu na mo o kan se ebra ye to aba yedi nkugo no se ye be ye hwehwemu kra na nke ye hu ne ye koso kra no ya anye mi kire mu se enye no kore ye wo professor from Pombwati committee for professor Michael committee yes. Professor from Pombwati asemo a wo kan enye no kore omode bosu bebe mienu ekomiensa ena ye omudwuma omuri no so anso wa National Council Society a lawyer Frank Davis committee. Emo mo susu mu. Ema enema na ebi mu be hia say ye best chira a constitution mu no. Omo ye eno ne me call a conference e wo Legon. Ebi mo san say ye chichire nkofo nsa. Obi esi dan na nipa over 220,000. 220,000 oh. Esi dan na Justin Frimpong Kobia. Eba ko chichiru bi se gu na chi se tuma we. Esi dan na me Nana B anase Chema Bute. Ana national officers no 220,000. Wow. Eso mo kana anya logical. Maybe obi say wo ka say party no e fake. Party no yen say din. Yen say logo. Party head office or na general secretary wo. Fa kwa also general secretary to na ho motena. Electoral Commission regarding General Secretary as General Secretary. Omona, or then in such a crata and sana, your presidential candidate, Odimu Amiatun Swaba. Omona, your official spokesperson of the party. Yeah, Pierre, you should be a on it is a biscuit or Yabofra. Maybe I won't very the new Booby Manodia. And your Sabian or set a contract to you. But he is the respected general secretary of the party. Professor Frimpong party. Unu media obedi ekutia party, but obi amodin. So it sounds say nyema hwegu a etoda abodia keka ya na nke hu hia. But ye o ya masebe. Yenkora ha omo so work from any penifo ni bi so nya okesetia. Wo ebra ya wo interministerial committee chairman. You failed. You failed. Nana danko kufa do trimu papa. Enti na odo ko. Sen ke bi anka wono. Se baby ya obo breadu no betuna beboa. In fact, if the NDC for nya campaign be the tia NPP on Galamsia, it is because of you, Professor Frimpong Boateng. Who now can say excavators how chichiri edi nyina tutu akɔwie ma yera na wuhu what openino kasa ye pa o kasa nya wo krampo nsem wo kampa na hu it looks like as openino slepeni de nka wodie mante ahobrasem ye ni diem ne kasa ho hwe ne kakra ne kasa ho hwe ni we party a wo se efe na fe kasa se party se ni obeyi we firi mu prakwa wo se de ne wo nko na wo do party na ne ye wasade because some more can just say, oh, that's the party, no person that's room. Person room now, yet destructive element in the party. Be open no quiet and come to me and to me, some and come to me and come upon the data.
Yeah, but I'll send neck for Moton suffering a crown. Okay, I
no quiet, I no quiet. You no quiet, where upon when you've been a commentary. What's Shakuna dignity, Aquajatama?
Yeah, boss.
If you want kind of quiet in a chance, already know you're not saying. He displayed a certain attitude, only any regard for neck. In fact, at the point, say, I former president, former chairman, open now move you.
Yeah, or sending a channel. Or some more Siciano. Muye fake. He doesn't belong to this one.
How do you know what is the particulars of fake no cano? The particulars in say, yeah, I'm talking about any Justin Kodia from Pona. Me yan to aben me
o se mo delegates over 5,000 o se mo say party no
e se den na wo na wo be ye minister wo se waduma na de ma wa anya aduma ma NDP for the campaign ti aye wo waduma na de share won sa no you failed woefully am sen ko pani no sen ko kan ba bi o ye aduma na no amanyo se mo mo no and he continues to dent his reputation because Oyobi Awajia Bodin on the field as a surgeon. Very renowned one. But Sebi, he is not a good communicator to Okasan Kwana and yet Sebi Nikasan yet.
Yeah, because
who could see a dead go cut as the command or Mampania and Fanyaduma or Pediduma. If at any point Bill Benyabi or Paso Cassetia, Nana Danko Kufado. But Bill Benyabi or Paso Cassetiano. But you do not 1 year money. 1 year money.
Or no one you're doing well, no, or send a record.
Obi, you're going to make a walking to 1 hour. Obi, are you not aware on far excavators are missing excavator? na wa abreso
send one report e one report or trauma president
exactly because why na ye on why na nti wo na ye responsible see the excavator say gira wo after later on ko hwe mu crash excavators go ase na nyina aye baby na ya deposit excavators no na wo a you don't say ayira na one my party ni magu ase am opposition the campaign and you think that you are not a major contributory factor to our loss and for that matter we will be a war FM was 2 minutes out the point to point was had it same go for you fake now you fake
Chirawa Jumame, comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media.